Hello everyone, it's me Ashiqur Roman Ahnaf. Today I'm presenting you my chemistry. Let's start. Chemistry, Chapter 1, Atoms the Big Idea, presented by me Ashiqur Roman Ahnaf. 1.01 Atoms, Elements and Compounds. Atoms are the smallest uncharged particle. This is an atom diagram and this is called shell. More specifically, we call this outer shell. And this is inner shell. And this is electron, this is proton, and this is neutron. The whole thing is called nucleus of an atom. The subatomic particles. Particle name, proton, symbol P+, relative charge 1, relative mass 1, neutron, symbol and degree, relative charge 0, relative mass 1, electron, symbol E-, relative charge minus, relative mass 1 divided by 1000. Next, elements. It is the type of substance that contains of only one type of atom. Next, the periodic table. It is a table or a chart commonly used in chemistry, which arrange according to the increasing atomic number. Horizontal rows are numbered 1 to 7, which represents the period number. Period number shows us the number of shells a substance has. Vertical columns are called 1 to 8, which represents the number of the electron a substance has in its outermost shell. This is period, and this is group of the periodic table. 1.02 More about atoms. How particles are arranged. We know that in the nucleus of an atom there are protons which have a positive charge and neutrons which have no charge. Around the nucleus there are electron shells that contain electrons. The atomic number tells us the number of protons in an element. The mass number tells us the total number of protons and neutrons in an nucleus. So the number of neutrons can be calculated using the formula. Neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. For example, you can see this is sodium Na. The atomic number is 11. The mass number is 22.99. Neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. You can see there is 23. Because we round this number, we get 23 minus 11. The atomic number here is, you can see. Then we get 12. There is 12 neutron. 1.03 Isotopes and AR. Isotopes, atoms of same element with same number of protons but different number of neutrons. Example, isotopes of carbon is carbon 12. There is 6 protons, 6 neutrons. This is carbon 13. 6 protons, 7 neutrons. This is carbon 14. 6 protons, 8 neutrons. Next, isotopes and radioactivity. Carbon 14 is radioactive, that means it is unstable. Soon it will break down on decay, giving out radiation. Substance which has a difference in proton and neutron number are like to be radioactive. This is carbon 14, energy. This is the energy. And this is the radioactive atom. Particle, radiation, isotopes and relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass AR is the apparent mass of isotope and element, calculated using their relative abundance. How much of each isotope is present on Earth? 1.04. How electrons are arranged? Electron shells. The reason why electrons are present. It is called also energy level. Electronic configuration. It is how electrons are arranged in each shells. This is lithium and this is Na, sodium. Number of shells. First shell, maximum 2. Second cell, maximum 8. Third cell, maximum 8. Fourth cell, maximum 8. Thank you for watching. This video is presented by me, Ashiqur Roman Ahnaf.